Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how many days in 2024 without weekends? This is very easily. First of all, we can see this start of the year first and end of the year last month. Then equal to network days suggested this network days formula. Then double click here and you can show this, oh sorry, suggested this formula start date end date without weekends. Then select first start date comma and end date bracket, then enter. You can see this days 262. Thanks for watching video.